Hello everyone, this is Shraddha from our education with the latest update. Central government to launch projects for lion dolphin conservation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on August 15, 2020 announced that the center has been planning to launch Project Lion and Project Dolphin to replicate the success of Project Tiger. The projects will be launched by the central government for the biodiversity conservation of these species. PM Modi informed about this project in his Independence Day speech 2020. It was also informed that Project Dolphin will focus on both the sea and river dolphins, which will also give a boost to biodiversity and will create employment opportunities. This will also become a center of attraction for tourism. Prime Minister Modi, in his Independence Day speech, highlighted the commitment to the conservation and promotion of the biodiversity and mentioned that India is one of the few countries where forest cover has been expanding. He further added that the Project Lion and Project Dolphin has been successfully carried forward. While highlighting the increase in the tiger population in India, he informed that under Project Lion, the work on the infrastructure for the security and protection of Indian lions will be undertaken. The Gujarat Forest Department in June 2020 had suggested their population to be increased by 29% to 523 in 2015 to 674 in 2020. The department also informed that the distribution areas of lion in Saurashtra has been increased by 36%. In 2015, it was 22,000 square kilometer, which has now gone to 30,000 square kilometer. Experts have also been calling for the reintroduction of the species outside Gujarat for the long-term conservation of the Asiatic lion. The Gangetic dolphin is one of those indicator species whose status provide information on the overall condition of the ecosystem. They also provide the status of other species in that ecosystem for the Ganga ecosystem, as they are extremely vulnerable to the changes in water quality and flow. Gangetic dolphin has also been categorized and endangered on the International Union for the Conservation of Nature Red List. For more such updates, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video.